today I'm trying something new. Okay, never in my life have I had hearts of palm. I really didn't know what it was, but I remember I picked these up because I saw Tabitha do, I think it was like crab cakes or something, and I wanted to try it, but that's not what we're doing today. Today I'm having a pasta craving. So I chopped this hearts of palm up and I seasoned it, and I have it sauteing in olive oil and butter. And I'm gonna use this in the place of noodles. Because I'm craving mac and cheese, and like I said, I'm having a carb craving. So this is basically gonna be my pasta, and I'm gonna try some mac and cheese. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so far I've taken the hearts of palm off the stove. In this bowl I have I think that's like a teaspoon of butter, some melted cream cheese. In this bowl I have 1 egg and some heavy cream, and then I'm gonna add some of my favorite my favorite Alfredo sauce, just to make it like creamy, because I'm looking for that like creamy consistency. And then I'm gonna add cheese. So we gonna see, y'all. I don't know how I really feel about the texture and the flavor of the hearts of palm, but we're gonna get into that, so y'all keep on watching. Okay, I really just wanted to show you guys like the texture of it once I added my heavy cream and egg to the mixture. Like, it looks like, okay, slop first of all, but it's really creamy already. And that on the top right there is just my Alfredo sauce. And then I'm gonna mix that up, add my cheese, and throw it in the oven. All right, you guys, so I layered it in this little Pyrex dish that I got, and topped it off with my cheese, parsley, green onions, and a little bit of paprika just for color. Honey, it looks amazing, and I can't wait to taste it. Y'all see that little edge? Yes, God. Yes, God. I am in awe of the edge. That little crunch. Oh, God. Okay. I can be a little bit fooled. I really can. All right, so I have some in a little bowl here, and I'm about to taste it. It really does look like crab meat. It don't look like noodles at all. It look like either crab meat or tuna. It don't taste like mac. It tastes like crab meat. Like, I'd eat this, for sure, but it's really good. Now, when it comes to texture of hearts of palm, if you've never had it, I tasted it when I was sauteing it, and it kind of takes on the texture of like a potato, like a half-cooked potato, and like water chestnuts. That's the texture that I get from it. The taste, like, I don't know if it was what I used, but I get like this hint of lemon, and I use absolutely nothing with lemon in it. But this is good. I'll cook this again. Like, for sure, I'll cook this again. But it really does taste like crab meat. It's just like a heated crab meat salad. Like, like a heated crab meat pasta. Like, it's good though. It could use some salt. I skimped on the salt because I wasn't sure with all the other things that I use. But you guys, it's really good. I'm surprised because of me and my taste buds lately. And this time around on keto, I don't like a lot of things, but this is good. And I hope you guys try it. Season this well though. You really gotta season this because, I don't know, I guess just the texture, it doesn't really hold flavor. But it's good. And that heavy cream and the cream cheese. It's just so creamy. Oh my God. Like, why am I eating out of this immersion bowl? I don't know, but it was just right there in the front, so I grabbed it really quick for a little taste test. And I like it. I like it a lot. I'm excited that I tried this. I really just winged it. I didn't look at no recipe or anything to get what I got, so I just know I wanted mac and cheese, and that is normally how I make mac and cheese, minus the Alfredo sauce. But everything was pretty good. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys try it. Or if you use hearts of palm and you have a favorite recipe, let me know, because now I am like excited about trying stuff. Like, I want a tuna melt and everything now, because it's good. I'm a little bit shocked, just a little bit. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, love you.